So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are going to appear in the CE September 2026 examinations, then this video is for you. The examination forms are officially opened, and in this video I will show you the complete step-by-step process to fill your exam form using only your phone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open Google and search for ICAI SSP login or ICAI SSP portal. Thereafter, once the website opens, log in using your registered user ID and password. If you have forgotten your password, then you can reset it using the forgotten password. So first of all, I get started. After logging in, you will use your dashboard. Now go to the student cycle section and click on the examination functions. Click on apply for exam, then intermediate exam form. Thereafter, first of all, please check all your personal details carefully before moving to the next step. Make sure your photograph, signature and other informations are correct. Let's get started. Check your all the details like signatures, name, father's name and other informations which are given here. It is to be noted that in the corner section it is written that do you have any valid paper exemption? If you have any exemption in any paper, then you should select yes, and if you have no any exemption in any of the paper, then you should select no. Thereafter, click on the next button. Then all the details should be filled by you. First of all, exam medium means if you are selected English, then all the examinations held will be in English. If you selected Hindi, then all the examinations in exam will be in Hindi. Then thereafter, first of all, you should select reason. If you are in north, then you should select north, south, east, west, central, overseas. So I am here just selecting north. Thereafter, exam state showing here according to North Campus, I mean New Delhi. Thereafter, exam city. It must be noted that exam city will be as per first, second, third, fourth, as per the need. If you select, I am just selecting Delhi 1. Then all the areas which are covered in Delhi 1 shall be shown here. PG Dave Senior Secondary School, Jain Happy School, Haircut Butler. Thereafter, I will select Delhi 3rd. Here, all the schools are select here. I will choose those exam city and center name which is very near to me. So here, this school Shiv Model Senior Secondary Public School is near to me. Then I will select that. Thereafter, examination fees is 1500 and total fees is also 1500. Then I will select I agree. All the details shall be rechecked by you. Then select submit button. Okay. And then you will jump to the payment page. Because payment can be maybe unsuccessful. If you face this problem, do not get worried because within 3 days you will get a notice and you will refund your all the amounts of the examination form, and you can again payment to the examination form. So here you can select through which medium you want to payment, and thereafter payment from this. Okay, so all of this is all about the examination form. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you for watching and all the best for your September 2026 exams.